Welcome FOREX traders. Welcome to my live trading room. This is where I trade systems such as day trading, swing trading, and the Four Horsemen. Got my new website going on right here where you can link your MT4 to my MT4 and receive my trades fully automated. You don't even have to have your MT4 open. It's a brand new account that I'm using right now. If you were watching since I've made this channel, you can see all my stats. But first, I want to show you this website here. Just go under the manage section here, and you can also see down here. You can sign up right up over here. I'll go one page back though and show you where you can see the stats. You can sign up right here. I also have a video tutorial where you can watch on how to set everything up. And I have a couple of recommended brokers here with affiliate links for non-US clients and US clients. Let's go to that one page back again because I want to show you here. Now this account is a brand new account. I just opened it last month, but you can click on it right here and it's going to give you the updated stats. So far we're up 4%, so it's kind of a slow month, but we made 4%. So anyways, these are the stats that. Let me go ahead and minimize this here real quick. All right, so these are the stats I've been doing with you folks here since the beginning of this channel, which is a couple months back. So this is my day trading stats right here. Swing trading stats is in a little bit of a drawdown right now. I have a floating one right now, and then the Four Horsemen is also sitting in a little bit of a drawdown right now on those. And this is the stats for my Four Horsemen as well with my broker. It's my equity curve. And so if you are interested in how I trade here, let's go. All right, today is the 4th of January, 2021. It's Monday, 2:46 p.m. So we're about 14 minutes away from the New York close. Just want to give you a quick update here. We closed out of all of our trades except for we do have a swing trade that we're in on a short right here with a stop up here. A little bit of profit, not too much right now. I do have a long on the day trade right here, and something about break even, a little bit of drawdown. And so what I want to do, let's take a look at the Four Horsemen. So we already took the first profit target on the Aussie yen, which was in here somewhere. Got in up here, and actually it was we got in right here is the entry, and I have my second profit target and third profit target. So on the euro yen, I got in here, got my stop right here, took out my first profit target already, going for my second and then third. I got stomped out on this stupid USD CAD trade. I got in here and I had to stop right down over here in this darn thing. I'm not trading the CAD anymore. Let's put it that way. The CAD is off the table because it's been doing so bad. It's been dragging down my stats for the Four Horsemen and for swing trading. My swing trading would be doing a lot better, and my Four Horsemen would be doing tons better without the USD CAD. So it is in punishment right now. It's in the doghouse. Yeah, let's go back. I want to get into, because I only have 12 minutes left, so let's get into my full pivot here. Let's see what's eligible, what's not eligible. Yeah, so nothing on the pound yen because we're below the M2. What do you want to do? Go right to left or go left to right? Okay. We are eligible here on the pound US dollar. This is my box right here, so it's going to have to break above during the London session or the New York session tomorrow. So nothing today. Let's go left again. AUD JPY. We have a trade set up right here. This is my M2. This is my box. It's a lower box, so we're going to have to do the same thing, break out tomorrow, London or New York session. Trade setup is right here for the Aussie US dollar. Here's my box. Breakout's going to be London or New York tomorrow. That's the trade setup and trade confirmation that I need. Two-step process. Trade setup, trade confirmation. So the CAD yen, right now we are below the M2, and even then we have a lower box. The box is right here. So no, nothing today, nothing today, nothing today. Even though that's nothing today, I mean nothing now at the end of the New York session. Okay, so here we go. Let's go here. We do have an upper box for the euro yen. I do have a trade set up right back here. I am in on the long right now on this dip. And this calls for an entry right in here. So yes, that's where we're at with that. We're going, price action is going sideways into this Euro USD box right here. Yeah, it's looking prime right now for a long. There you go. You got it. Okay, so a little front run action right there. Let's go ahead and drop my stop, and then I'm going to have to readjust my stop and take profit. But yeah, so we're going to smash my take profit right up in here. Yep, so I'm going to have to adjust it as soon as the market closes at in 9 minutes for the New York. And I'm going to have to get a little bit better price on the euro yen. So let's go ahead and mark out this trade here. Yeah, I'm not going to fool around. If you were watching my videos for the past couple of weeks, I've been missing a lot of entries because the spread will get really wide. So this spread right here will end up being like way up here and here. Not the Euro USD, but the other ones. Euro USD can still get a spread during the market close for the New York. And then I just end up missing the trade because by the time that the hour is over and the Tokyo session kicks in, price is way up here, and I missed the entire move. So if I have a shot, and look, that's going to be my entry anyways, even though it's 10 minutes early. If I get a shot with low spread, I'm taking the sucker, and that's part of the changes I'm making right now. So we're going to see a lot fewer missed trades, because you're always going to not miss your losers. You're always going to get your losers, right? It's the winning trades that are elusive. And the reason why I'm saying that is because if you have let's say you have a pending order right here for a buy, and price is up here, and it has to go down, right? And it's a very strategic location for the pending order. If it's going to lose and your stop is down here, it's going to lose, right? It's going to have to trigger your order to lose. Okay. On the other hand, you got your pending order, you got your stop, and you're trying to get your trade at a strategic location. Then lots of times it'll come just short of hitting it and then continue on, right? So that's a miss trade. It was right in your zone, right? But it might have missed it by like a pip or like a half a pip or half a spread or something like that, and that happens. So I'm trying not to be like too precise. I'm trying to give myself a little bit of slack on these trades, so that way I'm not missing these good setups. So we're already at break even on that trade. Anyways, what number is this here? This is going to be 7342 euro, and let's make sure that my client's account picked it up. There it is. Okay, Euro USD 7342, and they got a different number, but I'm writing it down in my book from the master account. 7342. This was M2. Okay. And yeah, so that's that. All right. I'm going to push you on pause and bring you back about a minute before 3 p.m. All right, so we are within 1 minute. Spreads are going to start widening up here. This is what we're looking for. We're going sideways into the box, so I'm going to take it at around midpoint. Okay, there we go. We got the spreads widening. All right, we have lock. There we go. It's not letting me modify. Why won't it? Oh, you know what? I think it's because the spread is too close to it. Okay, I'm just going to draw this out this way. 177073. 127073. Is that what it is? Yep. And then stop loss. It's going to be right down here. 125973. It won't let me modify it. It's probably because we're right in the middle of the spread right now. Yeah, it won't let me modify it. Okay, so let's just adjust this take profit from today. I want to go into my, yeah, let's minimize this here real quick. Let's go into my euro yen. Oh yeah, very much medium size zone. That's perfect. Okay. Try this one more time. It won't let me modify. Okay, what's the, this is number 7550. Go ahead and draw out all the boxes that we have for today. That's my buy zone, which we already took that. Oh yeah, here we go. Gotta adjust this. There we go. Yeah, my take profit. Ooh, beautiful. Very good spot right there. Nice. Okay. It's my zone. Later on today, or later on this session, which is tomorrow's session. Tomorrow's session is now. All right, and this one as well. We'll see if the trade setup holds throughout the night. This one's well below, but the central pivot is the daily central pivot is above the M2, so we'll go ahead and mark that out as well. This one we'll mark out. And this one. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this now. Let's take a look at the euro yen. You know, spread's not so bad, not compared to days before. I'll go ahead and pause this video, and if I get a good chance on euro yen, I'm just going to take it out market and remove my pending order. Good morning. It is 2:15 a.m. on the 5th of January 21. And I am just waking up. I did wake up about an hour ago, but I needed some sleep. Taking a look at here at the markets. Dollar is not as strong as I thought it was going to be. The yen's strengthened. So what I mean by that, maybe a third of you not know. This being the last, the first, the last, the last, and the yen's all being the last. So the dollar being strong, I was thinking that we're going to see a lot more of this, but we've been seeing a lot of rebounding. So lots of rebounding. And so yeah, that's where we're at there. The yen's kind of, well, besides Australia though, Australia must be strong right now, because that was a pretty big rebound on both sides. CAD kind of sideways here on the euro. Yeah, okay, so maybe but anyways, I'm still trading the system. I still went long even though I was expecting down, just because of the system. You know, it's other times when I've tried bucking the system before, I've paid the price for it. So all I did was I just reduced my size, but I still trade the system. I'm in twice on the euro yen. I'm in once on the euro USD. I actually reduced my size just because of the time frame that we're in right now. We're in January 1st, so I am expecting strength out both the USD and the yen, but I didn't want to miss trades. So and I'm getting I'm kind of getting wrecked right now on my swing trade. It's my entry right here. I thought we're going to be down here by now, or maybe even further. Yeah. So, interesting. Let's go over to, yeah, see, just not much. I thought I would be taking out the other two. Take profits already. Anyways, that didn't happen yet. And so let's go into, you know, just check Bitcoin. Haven't checked it yet today. Maybe I didn't have my coffee yet. Got consolidation going on. Yeah, that's what Bitcoin does. Likes to consolidate. Right here. Triangle. Wow, even got real tight even on the 1 minute chart. Possible head and shoulders. Okay. And let's go back to the Day trade, risk on. My client's account. Yep. Let's see. All 4 trades are in there. My swing trade and my 3 day trades. Okay. Just checking. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Oh, yeah, you want to see trade setups, don't you? Okay, fine. Let's go into my day trading full pivots. Yes, yes. Thank you for reminding me. Okay. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm looking at here. Beautiful head fake, right? That's the head fake. Okay. No, we're below the M2 right now, but I will continue watching the CAD. CAD yen. Yep, still the same setup for the euro yen. Still the same setup here for the euro USD. And head fake. I can even mark this as an M2. Either way, it works for me. I want to come back down and give me an entry. Well, it's not confirmed, so this is just the setup. Whoa. This is just the setup right here. I needed to come down, confirm, and give me my entry. Oh yeah, here's another one right here, right on M2. Okay, so yeah, I have options right now, and let's see what this session provides. I think anything that crosses blue box is good today, right? We're okay, that's above the M2, yes. That's above, yes. That's above, yes. That's above, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, anything blue boxy is good today. Okay. I don't need to keep switching back and forth. There we go. All right, so I've been doing my best to not do unnecessary updates. Just 5:20 a.m. So we're about 40 minutes away from the New York Open, and a couple of observations. I was watching the pound US dollar, and we could not break above the daily central pivot or the point of control. Kind of double topped up there. Still sitting break even for the swing trade, and sitting a little bit of profit right now. My entry down here, we're up here, slight bit of profit, and it's basically break even, and break even right now for the euro yen. We are seeing a little bit of movement right now, but it's early in the hour, so I don't put too much weight on the movement early in the hour. Yeah, that's where we're at right now. So all eyes are going to be on the New York session. I have a couple of alerts, one up here that I'm interested in. We're still going to have to come way down here in order to confirm any type of move. I'm already in on the euros. We'll have to. I have an alert up here for CAD yen if it breaks above, and Australian yen's going to have to break down then up, and pound yen's got a lot of work to do if it wants to move up today, and that's where we're at. I'll keep you updated. Just taking a quick look at Bitcoin. We did have that flash crash yesterday. We talked all about it. Came right down to the buy zone. Wicked right on the 21 moving average on the 4-hour and daily chart. And this actually is the buy box right here for the weekly. So the weekly buy box wicked right down to it. You can see the wick was right there. And then this is also the daily buy box. So, and yeah, a little bit of a consolidation, but this is the buy box as well for today, and a nice little reaction out of it.
Trade alert.
All right, just woke up to the day trade alert.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
All right, on the pound dollar, so I'm gonna have to watching for well, not for those. That we're getting the break above, and I'm gonna wait for the retest. Not much going on this session. Yeah, my Aussie dollar though is surprisingly has been heading up. So yeah, it looks like we're going to probably get stopped out of the swing trade, and we're going to also have at the exact same point we're going to have a buy for the day trade tomorrow. It's 9:30 a.m. All right, surprisingly, got to move up on the Aussie. Yeah, I didn't think we were going to get a new high on this in January. Okay, so still waiting on an entry here on the pound U.S. dollar, and I took a stop on the Aussie. That's unfortunate. 408 8399. Make sure it closed down my Hugos. Okay. The drawdown continues, huh? Wow. Not happy about that. That's a long-lasting drawdown. I haven't had a drawdown like that in my day trading. Yeah, this when we went through this, it was a long. It was more magnified because this right here pushed everything down and made it smaller. But when it was just this move right here, this drawdown in here seemed just like the one I was going through right now in the swing trading. It's just being consolidated now, and it's making it look at like a smaller drawdown. But it was a pretty lengthy one as well. It's just that I don't have as much data on this swing chart here. Eventually, this drawdown is going to look like it's going to look like the up. Something like this. It's going to be like this in the overall equity curve. It's going to be consolidated. So that's this is the phase that we're in right now. But look at this. What's going on here? Are we going backwards in time? There we go. Okay, anyways. Okay, still waiting on a entry. Looks like I will be having a couple of trades for tomorrow. Then I will be having both the Aussie yen, the Aussie dollar, probably the CAD yen. We'll be having that one for tomorrow. So we're going to be taking them here. But actually, it's going to, yeah, there. It's fine. Here. We're going to be taking this one here. We're going to be taking this one here. I'm going to be taking this one here. Depending on what happens with the euro yen, we might be taking that one again. So a lot of setups for day trades coming. A lot of setups. We just haven't had the January dump. We had a little bit of it on the first or the first day, the first trading day, which was yesterday, and haven't had the follow through. Instead, we're making new highs on the Aussie US dollar. So there you go. In fact, here really soon, since we're making a new high on the euro, look at that. Even the euros are pumping now. We're breaking this high. I want it to trade maybe like a candle or two up above here. This stop's coming right up to here. Once this high over here gets broken, my stops are coming right up to here, to right here. So we're going to be able to reduce risk on those guys. We have a lot coming up, for sure. Bull market continue so far. I want to take a look at ETH, and we are forming that triangle. Boom. This is the 1 hour chart. This is it on the daily chart. Just form like another little spike in here. And this is this is Bitcoin on the daily chart, and you can see here this is my 21 moving average, and it's just skirting these candle wicks right here. And these long bodied these long candle wicks are like legs, and they're walking. So they're at the bottom of the price, which is very bullish. Very bullish. Very bullish. So that's this what's going on right now on the daily chart is I can't believe it. It's incredible. Yeah, look at we're getting more highs coming in here for the Australian. So yeah, I'm gonna be here really soon. I'm gonna come back because we just got a new candle on the pound US dollar. I'm gonna be back right at 10 o'clock. That's in 13 minutes to go ahead and set all the traps, or the trap, I should say. All right, so here we go. I am going to be placing the pound US dollar setup or the trap, and then we got another one coming up here real soon. It's going to be the CAD yen. So let's go ahead and minimize that. But what I want to go ahead and do is start working on this one here. We want to be double this. So $36080. Actually, I could have just done it right there. Make sure that we have this correct here. Okay, very good. Now, what I'm going to do is drop this over to my, I'm going to move the stop up. Reduce my risk here.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
Yeah, that's my day trade alert for the CAD yen. So that one's up next. We're going to watch that one closely.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
So my reduced risk on the Euro USD. This one.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
Yeah, we failed to break low. I guess the stimulus is has changed a lot of the trading activity. All right, so let's see here. I need to do my stops and limits.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
And this is going to be also number.
Day trade alert. Day trade alert.
9318. This is a GBP USD. Okay, that's a pending order. That's AUD. What am I doing with AUD? GBP. Here we go. Okay, very good. All right, so we're good on that. We're just waiting. I already reduced the risk here. Though white is too bright for me. Let's go on over to the dark charts, the dark side. Okay. All right, I'm going to pause here and wait for the CAD. I still have a couple of candles closed above here that I need to have before I place any orders. Okay, so it is 10:26 a.m. I still want this candle to close, but I'm going to do a little preemptive strike on it. So I do anticipate it closing up above the point of control, so I'm going to go ahead and place my pending order there right now. Let's go ahead and see how far this pip range is. Two pips. Okay, and let's go ahead and drop this down to the full pivots. Get my stops. All right, so this one's going to be number 0828.
Four horsemen alert. AUDJPY.
We'll get to that in a second. Okay, very good. So I need to place my stop and take profit here. Oh, look at this. Right at the weekly, matching up with the daily. Beautiful. Okay. For sure. For sure. All right. So we're going to have that one in there. Drop this on over back. Okay, I want to make sure that the candle closes, so I'm going to hover over it for the next 2 minutes. All right, so we have candle closure. That one is confirmed. Very good. I have 3 candles closed above the point of control. That is a confirmed entry, pending order. All right, so I have those 2 down right now. Let's see what else is going on here. I can't move my stop yet on the euro yen until we make a move higher. Okay, that's where we're at right now. And let's go. I haven't had the stop out yet. New alert. I'm going to push this alert a little bit higher. My stop is right above here. Why can't I grab it? There we go. In fact, it should be up a little bit higher. That's my alert. Okay. I did take the stop out on the was it the euro yen? It's 414. So the difference here is 16 cents. Nothing. Break even. Yeah, there's a break even week on this one. Yeah, it's gonna end up being a pretty much a break-even week on the 4 horsemen. If it wasn't for the CAD, yeah, that all this drawdown right here is all due to the CAD. We talked about that extensively already. I'm gonna stop blaming the CAD so much. It's my fault. Okay. All right, so that's where we're at right now. Still want the euro yen to start breaking higher so I can move up my stops. Got my 2 pending orders in, sitting in profit right now on the euro USD. We'll keep you posted. It's 10:34 a.m. All right, I'm back with a new haircut. Still got my Santa stuff on, but anyways, just want to give you an update. We are 12:36 p.m., so we're still about an hour. That's 2 hours and 24 minutes left in the New York session. Got a pretty big move. I think a lot of stops were getting hit because a lot of people were thinking that this was going to be a big sell-off, and then it just didn't happen. And then so all the stops got hit. So right now we're bull run ready. We're already in on 3 day trades, 1 with a reduced risk on the euro USD, and then 2 with the euro yen. We're in this this wedge pattern here. But we don't have a tomorrow's trade because we have a box that's lower. So we're just in on these 2 right now. We're in right here on the euro USD, sitting in profit at the moment. I do have a trade set up for tomorrow on the Aussie US dollar, and I do have a pending order right now for a buy on the pound US dollar, and I do have a order for a buy on the CAD yen, and it's just kind of did it's called a Bart Simpson pattern where it just completely reverses. That's his upside down haircut. You often see this in crypto, not so much in Forex, but it does happen. So anyways, I do have the buy order here. This is the end of my New York session right in here, so we're cutting it close. Looks like it's going to be a buy at the end of New York session right at tomorrow's pivot, so maybe a tomorrow's trade. I do have a trade setting up for tomorrow on the Australian yen, and nothing on the pound yen because we do have the lower box here. So that is the session for the most part. I did, as you know, I keep everything raw. I don't sugarcoat anything. We are still sitting through the drawdown right now of the Four Horsemen. Pretty much broke even. I did take another loss on the odd yen, but the Australian yen actually came out on top. I mean, it broke even for the week. The euro yen actually broke even for the week because remember they both took its first profit targets, and that's pays for any losses that it takes. The one that screwed us was the CAD yen, and you can see this thing is just wild. I mean, sorry, the USD CAD, and yeah, this thing's just wild. So no more trading the USD CAD, but you all know that already. So it's going to be the Euro CAD. This is the Euro CAD by itself. I will continue trading this one. It is sitting through a little bit of drawdown right now, but nothing like the USD CAD. This is why I'm going to stop trading it, because this is we're below the break-even point on that. Euro yen has been doing really well. Small losses and bigger gains. So the equity curve is really nice on that one. I'm going to keep trading that one, and I'm going to keep trading the Australian yen. This one, it has a really nice equity curve on it. Slight drawdown at the moment right now, but you know, throughout all this, the drawdown that we have, that you see right here, is not due to the other pairs. It's due to the USD CAD. So that's the game plan going forward. We're trimming the fat that doesn't belong there, and so we're going to turn this thing back, and it's not going to take much. A couple of wins, and we're right back up on top. That's the thing about drawdowns; they last for a long time. They're painful. They're like 1,000 little razor blade cuts, but all it takes is discipline, and when it finally does turn back, then it turns back rather quickly. The same thing that I want to go over here on the swing trade. Now, okay, I want to go into my day trades here real quick. We just talked about this. This right here was actually appeared to be a lot bigger of a drawdown than what it does now, because we have a lot more data now, a lot more trades, so it kind of condensed everything. This period right here, what we went through, is almost the exact same thing, but more drawn out, because I don't have as many trade setups for the swing trade. So that's this period in here, and I just don't have enough trades in here, so that any type of win or loss is just blown out of proportion. But once I get a few hundred trades in here, this right here will just become like a really small blip on the radar. So but I will be trimming out the USD CAD. USD CAD's coming out. I'm not going to be trading the USD CAD in here anymore. So it just hasn't performed well in any type of swing trading at all in the past 4 to 6 months. So, but that's that. Day trading's doing decent. So we're up nearly 20% in the day trading by itself for the past couple months since I've been doing it here live with you folks. So beautiful equity curve. That's the thing about consistent trades that you're able to take often, is that it flattens that equity. The equity curve becomes more of a you don't have those big rigid peaks and valleys, and it just becomes like a smooth line over time. Because when we first started this equity curve, this was a massive. Looks like a massive drop below the zero line, and this looked like a massive pump above it, and this looked like a massive drawdown. Because it was like it was like this. Here's the zero line, and it was like stuff like this on the chart. So of course it wasn't going through my window, but you get the point. So that's where we're at. Discipline. And more discipline takes you out of drawdowns and not getting emotional. Just maybe taking a look at things, trimming fat, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, and that's where success comes from. So we're on track. Everything's doing fine. You will see. You'll see. It will come out of the drawdown okay, just fine. Everything will be perfect. On that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right now at 50 minutes. I'm doing my best to trim these videos. I want to see you in the next one. We'll see how all these trades pan out, because I think we're having a really spicy week so far. So, and we're going to continue having it this week. We'll see you then.